How much does a quantum computer cost? Breaking down the numbers. Ever wondered what a quantum computer really costs? Let's break it down. Building an on-premise quantum device, like those by IBM or Google, can cost anywhere from $10 million to over $100 million. Why so expensive? Because these machines require ultra-cold environments, precise control systems, and elite hardware engineering. Luckily, you don't have to own one. Many companies now offer cloud-based quantum computing. Prices start from $100 to $1,000 per hour, depending on how much power you need and which provider you choose. Specialized systems like D-Wave's quantum annealers, used for optimization problems, also carry multi-million-dollar price tags, but they, too, offer affordable cloud access. The catch? Maintenance costs are high. These machines demand cryogenic cooling and stable environments. Not exactly your home office setup. But here's the good news. As quantum tech evolves, costs will drop. Cloud access will dominate. And soon, quantum power may become as accessible as cloud storage is today.